Hello guys, and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about the installation of VirtualBox. So to install the VirtualBox from the browser, you will get to this website over here, www.virtualbox.org. And after you get to this website, you will click here from the left side on Downloads. Okay, now from the download section, you can see that there are versions of the VirtualBox that can be downloaded for Windows hosts, for Mac, for Linux, for Solaris. So you will choose the first one, which is Windows. You will click here to start the download. And as you can see, as soon as you click here on the download, it will start the download process. Okay, but here I'll cancel it because I have it downloaded already. So after you download the VirtualBox, to start the installation, this is the icon of the VirtualBox. This is how it looks like. And you will click on it to start the installation process. As you can see here, the wizard of the installation is welcoming you, and you will click next. And in here you will leave this setting as it is. From here, the location, you can click on browse to choose the location where you want it to be installed from here. But I will leave the location as it is, and I'll click next. From here, there are several other options. If you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, if you want to create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, if you want to register file associations, I will leave all three marks as they are, and I'll click on next. And from here, it's telling you a warning that it will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. You will click on yes. And then the last part here, you will click on install to start the installation process. So as you can see now, it started the installation. And you can see that the installation is complete. You will leave the mark on this box if you want it to start the VirtualBox as soon as you click on the finish. Or you can remove it if you don't want it to start, but I will keep it. And I will click on finish. And as you can see, it has opened for me the VirtualBox. And by this lesson, we have seen the installation of VirtualBox on Windows. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.